Good morning all of you. Hey, latest news coming from Bugatti. Bugatti teaches turbocharger, reveals hybrid V16 hypercar with massive 8.3 liter engine. This will be a 1 meter long V16 petrol engine, will power the Bugatti Chiron replacement and won't need help from turbocharger to make more than 1000 HP before electric motor assistant is added. And some reports have also suggested it will be a plug-in hybrid with a 24.8 kWh battery for 60 km of estimated electric only driving range. And this highly anticipated replacement for Bugatti Chiron will be revealed next month.